Many of the largest baby food makers are seeking a total of more than $500,000 in costs from a 9-year-old child with autism.
And the companies asked a Los Angeles judge to order the boy to pay after his case against them over toxic heavy metals in their baby food failed.
The Cantabrana family, on behalf of their young son Noah, brought the groundbreaking lawsuit against baby food makers, claiming that they knowingly had toxic heavy metals in their products. That curly-haired little boy is now 9 and the target of multinational companies seeking more than $600,000 after Noah's case was dismissed.
Just think about that for a second. It's a 9-year-old child with autism. This is frankly disgusting.
Pedro Misfandieri represents Noah and other children whose cases are moving forward, allegedly exposed to toxic heavy metals in baby food, like lead, arsenic, and mercury.
What they're doing here, in my opinion, is that the baby food manufacturers are sending a message to everybody to not sue us. This is a scare tactic. Each party can request costs of the other party in any lawsuit, and there's a bunch of rules to it. But that's not what this is about. This is about sending a message that, number one, they want to say that this lawsuit has no merit, and number two, that if you come after us, we're going to come after you. So it's a scare tactic. This should not be a deterrent. So what really happens is these things is there's going to be a couple of cases that go to trial. Yes, you know, there's still a possibility that those trial plaintiffs could have costs awarded against them or against the defendant for that matter. And yes, generally that is going to be paid for by the law firms themselves. They're not going after the individual, you know, families who brought the lawsuits or who are named in the lawsuits. So there really isn't any risk for, you know, 99.9% of the people who are going to be involved in this lawsuit are not going to have any risk. The only risk is that they don't prevail and get anything. That would be the worst case scenario. It is our very, very firm and strong belief that the plaintiffs will prevail on this lawsuit, and we're going to keep going until we get a judgment or a settlement that does hold them responsible and accountable and makes a change in how people make baby food. Because that's the whole point. It's not just about money, but it's the only way we can get the attention of the companies that manufacture these foods, poisoning children for a profit, is to take that profit. So this isn't just about people making money, it's about making a change and making something different. At the Scranton Law Firm, we are currently accepting cases and will continue to do so for as long as we can. There are cases that will be going to trial, but if you've got a child that has autism and you consumed any of these baby foods, you really want to give us a call. We have a lot of free information we can send you, including the congressional report that really spells out what happened here. You don't have to take my word for it. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.